was always so shy and I couldn't tell you that I love you so much. Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make some dinner and we have 8 ingredients here. We have arugula, we have some asparagus, all different kinds of asparagus, green, violet and white asparagus. Then we have stinging nettles, delicious, picked them today. We have some cauliflower, some zucchini, lemon, red bell peppers, a bit of leek, and we're going to add some water to our sauce when we mix it. Let's get started. I'm going to put some zucchini, red bell peppers, leek, lemon and water into my blender, and then we can start preparing the sauce. And this is what our finished product looks like. Ta-da! Yummy. Mwah. I love it. So in the end I decorated it with red and yellow bell peppers. That looks really nice. So make sure not to eat the tiny plate which is inside the dish. What I love about this dish is that you can improvise a lot. So instead of using arugula, for example, you can use spinach, you can use all kinds of different wild edibles. And perhaps you come up with your own idea for the sauce. Perhaps you don't want it to be red. I found it interesting that it's red and I don't use any tomatoes in it, so it's fun. It's fun just improvising with things and trying out different things. So it's amazing because when I went raw vegan in 2003, I thought the raw vegan lifestyle is going to be boring and there are only so many things to eat and I'll get bored soon. But nothing could be further from the truth, so I never get bored. In contrary, I'm always very excited about my day and not about the food, of course, not only about the food, but about absolutely everything, about this feeling of life, about this energy and ecstasy you feel on a daily basis if you go raw vegan. So give it a try. Try this dish. Let me know in the comment section down below how you liked it. Remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you again in the next video. Oh my goodness, this is so delicious. Yum. Here, try it.